Okay, this is Kosho, and I just noticed that this little 150S flies so good in the wind. How windy is it? I don't know. You can probably see my hair blowing in there. Who knows? The weed's blowing pretty good. It's probably blowing 5 or 10 miles an hour out here right now. So 4 minutes of freedom. Gonna get warmed up, and then we're gonna go. How many Piro flips will it do? Not in stable mode. I don't use it. Pretty stable. How fast will she go? Woo, doggy. Into the wind. Out of the wind. See if we can blow up a 450 milliamp battery. I had to stop. Battery sagged a little. Whoa, battery's sagging out. My battery's letting go. Let her warm up. Perfect tune by Kosho. Fucking one-handed super flyer. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm gonna have Donnie fly it on film next, dude. This thing flies good. Piros, how many Piros can you do for a minute straight? Oh yeah.